show you guys what I've got going on today. I've got this old barrel stove that I made with one of the kits. You know, they're cheap, you can get them offline. But I went to Tractor Supply and they had these premium wood pellets. The bags were busted and things like that. They almost sell for $1 a bag. So I bought a bunch and I thought, you know, is it possible to burn those wood pellets in this old stove? So I'm gonna try some different ways of doing it and see what works out. Okay, I want to show you guys my latest evolution of heating with wood. Now this is in my garage, but it's one of those barrel Vogelzang, what's this called? Yeah, Vogelzang kits that converts a 55-gallon drum to a wood burning stove. Well, I took a stainless steel bowl and I drilled some holes in the bottom of it, and I'll show you that later. I'm going to drill some more holes in it for draft. But I'm putting wood pellets. Now these wood pellets I got on sale at Tractor Supply because they were broken bags for $1 a bag. So, you know, these are premium hardwood pellets, and I'm burning wood pellets in my barrel drum stove in my garage. So anyway, I'll show you the bowl in just a second. This was my first try at burning wood pellets in my barrel stove. Now, you see that I'm gonna call this a success, because really I've just got some ashes there. Get a piece back out of here and put the ashes back in the stove for a second. And I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, so let's stick it to it. Okay, so I took a stainless steel bowl, I poked holes all around it for airflow. I've got a stainless steel stand. The bowl set on the stand like that. Then I made this little V-shaped piece, poke some holes in it for airflow. It goes in the middle. Then I fill that about halfway up with premium wood pellets, and it seemed to work. So that was try number one. I'm going to try this thing. Try number two, and I've got a stand for it. See, we have lots of airflow. We'll see how wood pellets burn in that. I've done here. Got my pellets in there. I've got it on that little stand. I've got a little bit of lighter fluid in on the pellets, and I've done that to get them started. Works. Oh, there's smoke escaping out the top. Why is my lighter fluid not? Let's start rocking out of that. Let's do a little more. There we go. Okay, see the holes, it's burning through them. Now the hope is that'll be enough airflow for those wood pellets to keep a good hot burn. Now, see, I've got the plug out of the barrel that way, and I'll come back and see how it does. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, see, it's burning way down there too. Look at the sides. It's because it's getting air from all around the side and stuff. Got some smoke going on. We don't want to roll the smoke out to the room, but look at that. That is great. I really like that way of doing it. Now let's see what happens if we try to add a little bit in there. Get a scoop of, get my little scooper here. Get a scoop of wood pellets. Let's get about half a scoop, about that many. Dump it to the side, I think it'll be okay. It won't put the fire completely out. I believe it'll catch the rest on. As long as we leave some of the fire going, I think we're going to be fine. Yeah, I'll tell you what. It's nice and hot too. Yeah, I think it's going to work. Well, it's a success, man. $5 in Walmart gear. I got it in the kitchen section, you know. Now listen, in case you don't know, the reason I had to do that is because if you take wood pellets and you just put them straight in the wood stove, they just smolder out. They don't burn well. They just sit there and smoke because they can't get air. So with that, you probably still see the fire through the holes there. With that way of doing it, it really does well. So I'm gonna say it works. It's a success. $5 in Walmart, and I can burn wood pellets in my barrel stove. Thanks for watching.